Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Help Guy. Today, we are going to give you our top five choices for mutual funds. So, for the first choice that we have here, this is the Vanguard Total Stock Market Index Fund, or the VTSMX. So their minimum investment is actually $3,000, and their expense ratio is $0.15. So when we say expense ratio, this is the annual fee that you need to pay. Um, and usually this expense ratio, it covers multiple things. So it covers management fees, the trading costs, legal and accounting fees, and of course, other administrative expenses as well. So expense ratio is the annual fee that's charged by a mutual fund to cover its operating costs, including management fees and allocation charges, advertising costs, etc., etc. And you can see that right here, $15 to $16 every $10,000 invested. So this is charged annually. Next, we have here the VB rather, MFX, or the Vanguard Total Bond Market Index Fund. Again, its expense ratio is 0.15%, and its minimum investment is 3%. And then we also have the Schwab S&P 500 index. So the SWPPX, its minimum investment is only $100, and automatically it deposits around $100 deposit. Otherwise, it can charge you with a around $1,000 per month or per year rather, and its expense ratio is lower than that of the Vanguard. As you can see here, it's 0.2%, 0.02%, which is lower than the Vanguard. So definitely, if you are a beginner or if you're a small time investor, definitely you might want to focus on investments like the SWPPX. And then next, we also have the Schwab International Index Fund. So this is the SWISX. So for this one, similar with the SWPPX, it has a minimum investment of $100, and it has an expense ratio of 0.06%. So as you can see here, the net expense ratio is 0.06%. And finally, for our last pick, we have Vanguard FTSE, or the Vanguard Social Index Fund Investor Shares. For this one, the minimum investment is $3,000 again, but this time it has a higher expense ratios, which is 18% or 0.18%. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and, of course, subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.